demonstration make up for what I failed demonstrating at Greenbrier Middle School today. Thanks to everyone for their patience and not laughing too hard at me. What we have here is some food dyes, and I've marked a test tube with approximately 2 increments of 30 and 60 milliliters. And we have here acetone, and that's a saturated solution of rock salt and water, and then from that's a more dilute solution, and here is 30 milliliters of acetone. So the demonstration goes something like: place approximately 30 milliliters of acetone in a test tube. Add a drop of purple food coloring. And then add 30 milliliters of the right concentration of salt water. And the question would be, what color is purple food dye? And then one can show that the whole mixture can be inverted and thus agitated to hopefully create a solution. Not because the mixture separates upon standing. And hopefully you can see that it's separating into 2 different layers. The top layer, which is going to be mainly acetone, and now you notice that the bottom layer, which is mainly salt water, obviously because this volume went up, there's a little bit of acetone in there and likely a little bit of water in the acetone. That's not the point, but it is interesting. The point would be that the purple dye is really made up of 2 different dyes, red number 3 and blue number 1. And the red number 3 is much more soluble in the acetone, while the blue number 1 is much more soluble in the water. So this gives a way that you can partially separate the dyes. And you could get a better separation by adjusting the amount of salt in the water that you're using for the demonstration. Thanks for watching.